Let me ask you a question. Do you want to create a new way of life? Yes? Then keep watching this video. Hey, this is RajivKumarLuv, the life skills coach, welcoming you to this video. Through my videos, I want to inspire you to improve your life and achieve your goals. In this video, I want to lead you through a meditation that can help you to create a new life for you. I picked up this meditation from my favorite author, Shakti Gawain. So how do we do this meditation? Well, you could do this meditation by sitting in a chair comfortably, or you could even lie down in a comfortable position. Then you relax and then you close your eyes, right? And then you take a few deep breaths. And then imagine that when you exhale, you are letting go of everything that you don't want and you don't need. Now this could be many things. It could be your frustrations, it could be your worries, it could be your anger, depression, limitations, disappointments, or old ways of doing things. So just let them go. You can repeat this a few times for a few minutes and then begin to imagine that as you inhale, you are inhaling life energy. And this life energy is having all the things that you need and you desire. And this could be something like love, health, beauty, strength, happiness, peace of mind. So think of all the things you desire, and this inhaling gives you all those things. So imagine a new life opening up for you and filling you up with aliveness, vitality, and energy. So pretend that your life is exactly the way you want it. So let go of the old and live in the new. So when your meditation is complete, you can open your eyes and you can come back into the room. Remember that you are now in the process of creating a new life for yourself. So I suggest that you do this meditation every day at least once till this new way of life becomes a reality for you. So I hope you found the meditation useful. Yes, then please share it, like it, comment on it, and most important, subscribe to my YouTube channel to keep getting more cool videos like this. This is RajivKumarLuv, your friend, your personal coach and guide. So thanks for watching this video. I'll be back with yet another video because I love making videos for you. So thanks again. See you again in my next video. Until then, be happy, keep smiling, and take care.